So that's communication error. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today on this beautiful winter day, it's second week of March, I guess. Beautiful. The doves are cooing, the birds are chirping. Ain't no bees a bit buzzing, but not that I've seen. Probably later today. It'll be warm. Today we're working on this Dometic refrigerator. It's a model DMR 702. Strange. It comes on gas or electric and runs for about 2 minutes, and then the temperature lights. You know, you got your 1 through 5 temperature lights. Then it shuts off and those lights flash. I'll probably show you that here in a few minutes, but I'm going to go in here to the board and just check around a little bit, check voltages, make sure that everything looks good in here, and then I'll probably have to call Dometic on this one, because I'm not sure I've ever run across this. Sometimes you don't have to know everything. Sometimes you just got to know who to call, you know. The bottom part of that cover off. Oh, you can't really get to the board on these anymore, can you? No, you can't. Still want to check voltage here, make sure we got good DC voltage and stuff. Make sure there's not anything weird going on there, and then I will probably call Dometic. They're the ones that built it, so they should know more about it than I do, which is pretty easy to do. Put my meter on the DC scale, figure out where our power's coming in. Let's see here. Just follow the wires. Okay. So that little red one right there, 13.69. So that comes in from the coach, runs over to at least 2 thermal devices over here, comes back out of the thermal devices to the board. So all that is good. So yeah, I'd say it's time to call Dometic. I mean, because I can't really see the board anymore. The board's enclosed in that plastic box. It's not like the old days. So let me grab a phone and make a call. See how long it takes me to get through.
Thank you for calling Dometic's Technical Service and Warranty Authorization Department. Calls may be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. If you are an RV dealer with an account number needing technical assistance or warranty authorization, press 1. If you are a truck dealer and need to. Thank you for calling Dometic's Technical Assistance and Warranty Authorization Department. Please enter your 8-digit Dometic account number followed by the pound sign. If you only... If this account number is correct, press 1. Otherwise, please choose a product for which you have an inquiry. Air conditioners, press 1. Awnings, press 2. Fantastic fans, press 3. Furnaces, press 4. Ranges, stoves, or ovens, press 5. Refrigerators, press 6. Sanitation.
Now we get to listen to music until they pick up. At least they finally changed their music. They had the same music for like 20 years.
Hi, good morning. Thank you for calling Dometic. How can we help you today?
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you on this fine Monday?
It is a fine Monday. I'm telling you what, sun's shining, the birds are chirping, and it's going to be a glorious day.
Yeah.
I'm working on a refrigerator. It's a DMR 702. And
Okay.
I'm not sure I've ever run across this. Well, of course, the battery died. But basically, she said that the flashing lights inside, there's three lights, the 3 temperature lights are flashing. And she said that is a communication error between the bottom board and the top board, the main board and the eyebrow board. So she said just check voltages, and just like we would on any other refrigerator, and if all the voltages are good. She did want me to check AC ripple. Dometic will allow up to 6 volts of AC ripple. So let's see here real quick. Turn my meter to the AC scale and check, and getting like 4 millivolts of AC power. AC ripple is when there's something wrong in the power converter, and it actually is not filtering out the AC power like it should. And if you get too much AC power on a DC appliance, it doesn't like that. But this one's fine. She said, like I said, she said we could have up to 6 volts, and we've got millivolts, so that's not the issue. And she said after you check voltages, did I already say this? After you check voltages, if everything's good, then this bottom board is probably bad. That's what she said. So yeah, let's check some more voltages here. There's not a whole lot I can check. This little cord right here, this little cable right here, is our power going up to our eyebrow board, from this main board to the eyebrow board. There's 13.69, exactly the same thing we got right here. Checking the red wire. Let me check the ground. Let me change my leads here. Oh, that's coming on my hoodie. As long as you're in the sunshine, it feels really good. Let's see if I can do them both at the same time. There's power going up to the eyebrow board on the red, and the black is probably, well, if that is the ground, there's our problem. We've actually got a ground issue. I'm sure y'all can see that sunshine, right? I go from the red wire going from this board to the eyebrow. If I go to a ground like the gas line, well now all of a sudden I'm getting 4.9. What happened? I'm on DC scale. Let's see here real quick. 13.69. Now a while ago I had, wrong wire, my bad. I was on brown wire. Brown bread. In the sunshine, they kind of look the same. Let's try this again. Okay, 13.69. So our ground's good. This camper has set all winter, so there's a chance that we could have had some mouses. So I want to go inside and take the eyebrow board off the front of the fridge and check my voltages there. If everything's good there, then I guess we'll order a board. So let me regroup here. We'll go inside. All right, here we are inside. Let's see here. I think you'll be able to see those blue lights flashing. Get y'all aimed. Yeah. Those are the temperature lights. This is telling us it's on LP, and those are the 3 flashing lights. So it has self-diagnosis. No, it has the self-diagnostic capability. How about that? So that's communication error. It's what I was told by the nice lady from Dometic. Let's see here. Ooh. get this eyebrow board off of here. Let's see here. That's not a screw. This is a screw. Just one on that side. Oh, great. Gotta take the door off. The door's off. That's awesome. So, let's see if we can just get this thing out enough to unplug it and check our voltages. I don't really want to have to take the doors off if I don't have to. I'm going to pull these pins out. Oh yeah. Yeah, we don't have to fool with the door. Put the meter on DC scale again. There we go. I'm going to put my head right in y'all's way. Let's see, maybe I can get around here. So go red and black. Alright, I got nothing. I got zilcho for power. That's not right because we got blink, we got lights, so we know we have power. Let me unplug that. Make sure I'm on the. Oh, you know what? I probably wasn't touching the contacts. I probably wasn't touching. I thought. Oh, okay. No, my bad. That light is harsh, man. Can't turn it down either. It's the customer's light. It was just sitting right there, so I'm using it. But it's harsh. Not sure how I can. Maybe I can go in there. Probe the front of this connector. Whew, boy, that light is harsh. Just gently probe the front of that connector. We don't want to spread any pins out. 13.7. Okay. So, according to the lady at Dometic, then this is probably going to have a bad main control board. So, I will call back, find out about the price and availability on that board, and then me and the customer will talk about it. That's something. I mean, he's pretty handy. He may just change that board himself. So yeah, y'all hang tight. I'll get right back with you. Thought I had dirt on my face again. I'm gonna cut it on. I plugged that wire back in. I'm gonna cut it back on here and see if it does the same thing. Because I had that connector plugged and unplugged. We'll just see. See if it does the same thing again. I would expect it would, but who knows? These things will drive you crazy. Being inconsistent and stuff like that. Yeah, it's ridiculous. So you can't. I mean, you just they'll drive you crazy because it'll do one thing one time, something else the next time. Man. But you know, even just replacing that board, she's guessing. It's just that's what her flow chart says, and I mean that's all we can go by too. I can't test that board. As far as I know, there's no tools out there to help you test those boards, because you'd have to have a tester for every model of board for a Dometic refrigerator. You'd have to have one, for every model of board for a Norcold. Of course, no, you know, want to understand, Norcold is back in the RV refrigerator business. I think I heard that. You know, they were, yeah, okay, yeah, it did the same thing. Cut off, and we got 3 lights flashing. So, yeah, I was under the impression that Norcold was going to get out of the absorption refrigerator business, and they were just going to build 12 volts. But from what I understand, they're building absorption refrigerators again. I don't know, but I mean, yeah, you could send that board back to Dometic and they could test it, I'm sure. But yeah, might as well just replace it and see what happens. So, so yeah, I think actually we'll probably just go ahead and finish this video up right here. Like I say, whether the customer, whether he wants to just replace the board himself, have me order it, or he wants me to do it, that'd be another video. So that's all we got for today. Let me, oh, one ring and hung up. So that's all I got for today, and y'all enjoy your day. Hopefully when you're watching this, you're having a glorious early spring day like we are here in southern West Virginia, because it is absolutely gorgeous. It doesn't come out of my hoodie. Absolutely gorgeous. So y'all have a fantastic day, and we will catch you next time.